Hey guys, it's Doc. How are you guys doing? Excited to be here again for another experiment. And this can be for all my science classes. This should air on Thursday, I believe. And what I'm going to do is attempt to take a plastic bottle, some vinegar, some ordinary baking soda, all these things you can find around the house, a balloon, an ordinary balloon, pretty good size one, and I'm going to attempt to blow this balloon up like I just did, only using a chemical reaction. So this is how I'm going to test it. Let the air out of the balloon. I'm going to pour some vinegar into my plastic bottle. This is just an everyday plastic bottle. Doesn't matter what shape it is. You could use a water bottle too if you wanted to. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to pour some vinegar in here. Just about 1.5 inches or so. Doesn't take too much. Cover my vinegar. I'm going to take my balloon. I'm going to put some baking soda in my balloon. Try to pour it in. It takes a little bit of skill to do. Doesn't take too much, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, got that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my balloon that has the baking soda in it now, put it over the bottle like this. And what I'm hoping to do is try to create a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar to cause the balloon to blow up. What your question is going to be at the end of this is, what type of gas caused the balloon to blow up? If it blows up, let's hope it does. Okay, so are we ready? Without further ado, here comes the blue balloon blowing up by a chemical reaction. There it is. It's blowing up. There's a chemical reaction going on down here. What is that chemical reaction? What is happening to cause it to blow up my blue balloon? So I have a gas in here now. What is that gas? I'm going to tie this up. Maybe a tight balloon. Okay, got it tied up, and so here's my balloon right here. Okay, so what gas is in here now? How did I blow this balloon up using just vinegar and baking soda? That's your question. Okay, watch all my other videos, enjoy them. I'll see you in my office hours at Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 o'clock, or the social hour at 11 o'clock on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure you're watching all the videos from all the other teachers as well. Okay? And take care. Goodbye.